What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Monday. Ooh. Don't really love me Mondays, but when you enjoy your profession, it could be Monday, it could be Thursday, it could even be Sunday. If you enjoy what you do, it doesn't hurt getting out of bed. And those who know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, last week we changed the signage on the "Your wife is hot" bench to "Your husband is cold." And you know what? When you wake up and it's 53 degrees here in the great communist state of New York, he might be. Oh, it got stuck on stupid again. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's Monday. We have a day lined up before the Jewish New Year of Rosh Hashana, welcoming in the new year. We are installing this ACIQ 4-ton Extreme Plus Air Handler. We're going to be installing this 4-ton, 48,000 BTU Air Handler, the sleek, mono-looking bad boy with the emergency drain pan, the high-rise emergency drain pan, some ductwork modifications, supply and return plenum. We're going to change the 16-inch flex to an 18-inch flex. It's right up there. We're going to run a new line set. That may be an issue. That may be an issue. That may be an issue. I could have swore we had a full line set here. I could have swore we did. Oh, man. Well, we'll be all right. We will be all right. Good stuff. That's not what I wanted. We'll be all right. Have faith in God, and God will provide. I was going to give this away, but you know what? Someone make me an offer. Tisat. 12,000 BT. It's got a little dent in that corner there, but other than that, it's pretty good. Make me an offer, folks. Make me an offer. Good stuff. So it's Monday. It's 6:30 here in the morning, and we have this install going on this morning. I trust we'll get done in a reasonable time. Hopefully, maybe around noon. I have off tomorrow and Wednesday for the holiday, and then the following, I believe it's Thursday. Let me look that up. We have, the company is actually closed for the holiday of Yom Kippur, which is next, let's see, today is the 22nd. Let's go there. I believe it is, it is Thursday, October 2nd. And then another holiday, because you can't have one or two without a third holiday. The week of Monday, October 6th, through and including Wednesday, October 15th. Yeah. That's a little insane. So I have off the week of Monday, October 6th through the 10th. I will be working on Monday the 13th, but then and the 14th, I believe. And the 14th. Yes, because Simchat Torah is on. No, Simchat Torah is on. Oh shit. Yeah, Simchat Torah is on Wednesday, the October 15th. So I will have off the 14th and 15th. Yes, 14th and 15th, and I'll be back to work on the 16th. So we do have a very, very light presence of Mikey fucking Pipes in the month of October. Yep, crazy. But then we're good. Hanukkah, forget about that. Then we're good until January. Well, I'll be off from the 2nd through the 19th of January. You heard it here first, folks. And I have to resume classes. Oh God, I have to resume classes because we never built the piping on the cast iron boiler. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna resume classes, guys. If you are interested in the second set of classes, I am going to probably do one class a week on a Monday and maybe like a Wednesday and every other week. So every other Monday and every other Wednesday. So there'll be a class every week here for about an hour, hour and a half in an evening, maybe starting at 6 to like maybe 7, 7:30, 8. And we're going to do that. So if you're interested in the free class, and no obligation, to make a donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Charitable Organization. But you know what? It would be nice if all of the guys coming in would make a donation of $42.50. And $40 if you're here at the class, you'll get a limited edition version 2.0 poster. The class is free. It's open to all tradesmen that don't work at Pipe Doctor. Or if you do work at Pipe Doctor, you want to come on? Like Derek and Daniel and the new hire? Yeah, we won't talk about that. I don't want to jinx it. Because there are haters out there that hate me. They really do. They want to fuck me right in the keister. It's good stuff. All right, guys. Make sure you check out the Mikey Pipes Palm Beach YouTube channel. I put up episode 3 yesterday, where we talk about social media and posting and content. Social media is no longer just optional, it's required because that's where your clients are. They're there. And you could invest a little bit into some paid advertising, or you could just post or pay nothing and have everything organic. And what that means is like you post, maybe you email blast your customers, your clients, and you get free marketing. It costs nothing to post to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube. And when you get quite comfortable with this, you'll start to see that these social media platforms will pay you. It's good stuff. Thank you so much, guys. I will be back with new content Thursday morning on the Uncensored channel. I will post a video on the Mikey Pipes Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel later today, this early evening, on that 4-ton install. All those who celebrate, happy and healthy, and I just have to ask forgiveness if I offended anyone over the last year. My apologies. Thank you. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. See you next year.